Hi cops. Welcome back to my channel. Take a look. New Anfield Road Stand construction update. Seats in the Anfield Road Stand not too far from being completed. When complete, the redevelopment of the Anfield Road Stand will make Anfield one of the largest stadiums in the Premier League and would take the overall capacity to over 61,000. The changes will add 7,000 additional seats, made up of around 5,200 general admission seats and around 1,800 seats with sports bar lounge hospitality facilities. The design includes back-of-house facilities including improved concourses, hospitality lounge and relocation of the family park to a covered position. The concourse facilities will be in a similar style to the current facilities in the main stand. Mural created for Liverpool player Darwin Núñez on the side of the new Anfield Road Stand during the construction. Great art from at Merwalls. The DJT lads are pulling in 1095s and installing new supplies at Anfield this week.